Breaking news! Sac Sewer authorities have put out an APB on the Sacktown Clog Squad. These pipe invaders are on Sac Sewer's most wanted list for causing destruction in the sewer system. They were last seen clogging pipes and causing sewage overflows with fats, oils, and grease throughout the Sacramento region. Shown here is fatty food scraps. This menace is charged with sticking to pipes and causing neighborhood sewage overflows. Next, we have Greasy Gangster. This master of disguise is being charged with fooling neighbors into thinking he's water-like and safe to pour down the drain. Finally, Oily Slug. Last seen hanging out in saucepans, this chameleon is being charged with turning her slippery form into a globby mess and backing up pipes. Sac Sewer wants residents to follow these easy steps to capture these crooks and stop the clog. Authorities caution residents to not let these pesky troublemakers become a pain in your drain. Learn more on this developing story at stoptheclog.com.